Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Token Post interview. Today we have invited a very special person, Justin Song, who is founder of Tron, advisor of Huobi Global. Welcome. Welcome.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank
welcome.
you.
So let's get into the interview. Probably everyone around the world who knows the blockchain technology and
Yes.
cryptocurrency should know you, right? But please introduce yourself briefly to Token Post user.
Yes, definitely. I'm Justin Song, the founder of Tron, current advisor to Huobi Exchange. I get into the industry around 2013 by joining Ripple Labs, XRP. And then I founded Tron, TRX, in 2017. And now it has been 10 years of my
10 years,
crypto journey. So yeah, I would like to share lots of my ideas about crypto and thoughts with you today.
Great. Okay, the first question is related to the current crypto market
Yes.
situation.
Yes.
You know that the market has been down for a long time. A
Yes.
lot of individual investors are left, and trading activity has decreased a lot. When do you think the market might get better, and what could make the market improve again?
Yes, sure. I believe even right now we are in a bearish market, but still I think we have seen a very strong activity in Korean community. We can see all the trading activities in Korea is still very active. I think right now one of the biggest reason for crypto market in the downturns is because of the hike of the interest of Federal Reserve, which take lots of liquidity out of crypto space. But I think we have seen this cycle for in the last like 12 years, 4-year cycle, right? So that's why I think for the next 2 years, we will see a bull trend because of, first of all, I think the interest will going down. And also, of course, Bitcoin will have next halving. And also we have seen more and more innovation happening in our industry, no matter stablecoin transaction, DeFi, RWA, ZK rollup, layer 2 solution, and we have more and more innovation happening in our industry. So I think it's also built a very good foundation for next bull market.
Next bull market, cool.
Yes.
And you've been in the crypto world for quite a long time, right?
Yes.
Do you see any differences between the bear market and the previous one?
Yes. First of all, I believe our industry, even every time we see bearish market, but always bear in mind, Bitcoin price, even the worst in the bearish market, actually the price is higher than the bull market last time.
Last time.
Right? So that's why I think the industry itself is keep growing. When I joined crypto in around 2013, Bitcoin price is around $10, right? So today we still have around 26K, 27K, something like that. So that's why I think we still achieve a lot in the past 10 years. So that's why I'm very bullish about crypto, because right now the whole market volume of crypto is still $1 trillion globally. It's not like limited to only one country's global market cap is $1 trillion. I think we definitely have a chance to hit $100 trillion in the next 10 years as an industry. Because one of the biggest reason is because the market volume, right? I think even today, even China, for example, like China market for all the capital cap is around like $100 trillion. So that's why I think even for China market itself, if you consider the financial market, has a huge potential. Not even mentioning today, crypto is combined like all the market globally, right? So that's like one of the biggest reason I believe crypto still has a huge potential.
Great. Next question is that since you visited Korea this time, so I can have asked question about the Korea, right?
Yes.
You visited Korea multiple times, right?
Yes.
And could you share the most like impressive meetings and business development topics that you encountered in Korea?
Yes. So when I first came to Korea, about cryptocurrency is around 2013. Actually,
okay.
10 years ago.
Was it 10 years ago?
Yes. So at that time, I helped to advocate for XRP, in a development in Korea. So at that time, there is only one exchange in Korea, is Bsum. Bsum. But at that time, Bsum is not even named Bsum. It's another name, but later they become Bsum. So I think at that time, Korean crypto market is in very early stage.
Really early stage.
Very early stage. And the second time when I visit Korea is 2017.
4 years later.
4 years later, and Beatrix at that time
Beatrix.
start to collaborate with Abi, right?
Yeah.
To launch a new crypto exchange,
Yeah.
right? And then later we see Coin One, other. And also I think Huobi is way back then, right? It's like Huobi, Bsum at that time.
Around that time, right?
List like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, some like
coin was on there, right?
back those time is very early, right? So and then in 2017 we start to see like see the Abi, other exchange start to get start, and in I think around 2021, 22, we started to hear the news like Korea has regulated crypto markets, and I think Korea actually is one of the first country in Asia to have this kind of the regulated crypto exchange, right? So so that's why I think it's a fantastic news for everyone in Asia, right? So and we see later like Hong Kong, Singapore start to follow. But I think definitely today, Korea is still one of the leading crypto players in the region.
Thank you for sharing the whole history of the Korea exchanges.
Yes. I'm kind of like the one of the witness of all this happening.
With the 10 years.
Yes.
And what are the key plans or goals you have for the Korean market? And there are any companies you are currently collaborating with or discussing a collaboration with?
Yes. So Korea is definitely one of our most important markets. We have lots of DAO tokens listed in Korean markets like TRX, BTT, JST, Sun token, NFT in the Korean markets. So I think Wing token. So Korea is one of the most important markets for Tron ecosystem. And also we collaborate with lots of developers, GameFi developers, NFT developers in the region, try to build dApps on top of Tron ecosystem. And also as Huobi, we also listed lots of the Korea assets. For example, like I saw like Wimix. And they're also like one of the big sponsor in the KBW.
And Token 2049, right?
Yeah, exactly. So so that's why we also collaborate with lots of the Korean assets in the region. We also, Huobi is ready to launch a very big campaign for Korea assets listed on Huobi. So that's why I think we have lots of partnership to talk about, and we will continue to boost our activity and collaboration in the region.
In the region, cool. Okay, yeah. This time is a question related to the Tron.
Yes.
Yeah. You know that Tron is performing well
Yes.
in the DeFi sector with activity user and TVL, right?
Yes.
And the market cap of Tron-based stablecoins rose by like 40%
Yes.
and reaching about like 35% in the second quarter,
Yes.
according to the Mesa report, right?
Yes.
So my question is that what is the main factor behind the Tron's growth in DeFi and stablecoins?
Yes.
And second is that what do you think are the areas your blockchain needs to be more improved?
Yes. So first of all, TRX I think is one of the best performed cryptocurrency in this year. I think it's even going up actually.
Yeah, sure,
so
yeah.
yeah, so I think even perform better than Bitcoin. One of the reason I think is because of the stablecoin DeFi development on Tron is very active. I think presumably this year Tron the protocol revenue will surpass $400 million.
$4 billion.
Exactly. So I checked Bitcoin data. Bitcoin data is only around 270 million. So basically, Tron is even, I think, this year gonna have around 50% more revenue than Bitcoin network. So one of the reason, of course, is because today Tron protocol has over 50 billion US dollars worth of stablecoin, and we are handling around $12 billion transaction volume every day, which provide a very good fundamental for TRX, right? The ecosystem, and the build on top of the stablecoin, which is widely adopted worldwide. Recently, we see lots of progress on America, like Mexico, Argentina, Brazil. All the major exchange in those regions has adopted TRX and the Tron and the USDT on Tron as their major payment solution. And also, based on top of the stablecoin, we see the growth of DeFi, TVL, and everything increase dramatically, I think, in this year. So that's why I believe the overall Tron ecosystem growing in the end. And also, we are focusing on, besides stablecoin and DeFi, which Tron has been number one or number two in the industry. For stablecoin, I think we are number one, even more than Ethereum. For DeFi, right now Tron is number two, more than Arbitron, like OP, BSC, and also for NFT GameFi, we are also pushing a lot. We are hosting Tron Builder Tour, Tron Hackathon, Hackathon, on attract more developers on building DeFi NFT on Tron. And also, of course, I know Korea is one of the most important DeFi and NFT GameFi region. So we are happy to collaborate with more Korean developers and community.
In South Korea.
Yeah, on Korea. Yeah.
So following your statement that we can define the 2023 as the year of Tron.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
So next, you be publicly commented on companies in trouble like Ledger or
Yes.
Jax SPT or Car,
Yes.
etc. Right?
Yes.
So what's the motivation behind these statements, and what do you believe is your role in the cryptocurrency industry?
Yes. So first of all, when our partners or important players in the industry in trouble, I think the first reaction we have is how we can help them, right? So because this is right now is in a bearish market, and lots of important players in the industry might fall in trouble because of like mismanagement or just bad luck, right? So that's why we always try to step in and see how we can help. I want to take one of the example of like curve case. One of the important things we do is not only we invest $2 million into curve protocol, but also we are trying to get lots of people gathering together to help them, right? So that's why I think we are not only help the developers and the important players by only putting money into the protocol, but also we want to launch a campaign around that to unite all the powers and the players in the industry together to help them, right? So I think all the crises around, like for example, like Curve, Zach XBT, right? Like Ledger has been resolved eventually, not leading to any kind of the crisis we might worry about. So that's why I think this kind of the united, solution is very important for everyone in the industry to prevent it's become like a worst case scenario. So yeah, so that's like our idea and how we get into this to try to help.
Okay. Yeah. Here's the last question. It's still like personal.
Yes.
You're known as really successful investor as well, like Tesla, Bitcoin, DeFi,
Yes.
like that. And can you share your investment strategy?
Yes.
Even me,
Yes.
and our user. Yeah.
Yes, sure. So I think the first, the investment strategy I have is always bet on innovative technology. I have a lunch with Warren Buffett, right? I share with my idea with Warren Buffett together. I think Warren Buffett is more like believe in dividends, fixed income, and yield product, right? So one of the biggest method he used to evaluate product and the company is about how much dividend they can pay each year, and he can multiply basically how much return he can have, for example, in 10 years and 20 years. But for me, I think my investment solution has always been in the disruptive technology. So that's why, based on my understanding, the reason why I invest into Tesla back to 2012, right? Bitcoin in 2013, is because of the disrupt technology behind it. It's not because of like Bitcoin or Tesla is paying me, dividends like every year. So that's why I think that's also always my philosophy in terms of innovation and investment, because I always need to find like how we can further innovative the industry, how we can contribute to the growth of humankind, right, in the first place. So that's also one of the biggest potential of blockchain, right? So we have seen stablecoin, DeFi started to play more and more important role in the financial industry, right? Which I believe still has huge potential. We will grow it step by step.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Song. And do you have any last comment to our viewers?
Yes. Korea is very important market and community base, not only for Tron but for the whole crypto space. In the future, I will visit Korea more frequently and to hope to see our community and host our events here.
Okay. Once again, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. And that was Justin Song, founder of Tron and advisor of Huobi Global. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.